In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the vapor canister purge valve on your Chevy Sonic. This will be located on the back of the motor, right on top. Let's get started. Pull the purge valve off of the bracket. Just push straight off. It'll pop right off. We're going to flip it towards us so we can see the connector better. That little blue tab is going to push up and out. Just slowly work it back and forth till it's in the unlocked position. To remove this back connection, we're going to push on that little tab right there, and we're going to pull it off, just like that. These tabs in the back, on the top and bottom, will get pushed up to the side, and then we're going to push it towards us. This will put the clip in an unlocked position, just like that. And you can remove the canister purge valve. We're going to remove the rubber that's still on the bracket. Install the purge valve onto the bracket. Get the rubber lined up, push straight on. Get it fully installed. Grab that red line. Push it straight on, and then close that locking tab. Push it straight back, and it'll lock into place. You can give the line a pull, make sure it's locked on. Install the connector, push it straight on. It should click into place. You can give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and then close that blue tab in the back, being sure it's fully seated. Install the left side line, push it straight on. You'll hear it click into place, just like that. Give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.